8 divided by 2 brackets 2 plus 2. This problem went viral some time ago, asking if the correct answer was 1 or 16. Both of these answers seem to have a logical set of steps to achieve them. Sometimes even calculators showed different results. This is not a trick question. The answer simply depends on what orders of operation you do. There are multiple rules for the order of operations in a mathematical expression, such as BODMAS, BODMAS, etc. Most of which are same. But I am going to show you a better way to calculate these expressions with 100% accuracy. So for now, I want you to forget these rules. You can later decide which system you want to use. The rules I am talking about is brackets or parentheses, operations such as exponent, logarithm, trigonometry, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. My Indian friends will immediately recognize this rule from maths class. This is, of course, the BODMAS rule. I assure you that with this rule set, you will always get the correct answer, no matter what the question is. Now, before we target the main problem, let us try some other questions that one time or another have gone viral as unsolvable. Let's go through these one by one. 21 minus 3 plus 18 divided by 6. If you go left to right to solve this, I will kill you. First we divide 18 by 6, which gives us 3. Next we ideally should add, but we can clearly see that 3 cancels itself out of the expression and we are left with 21. Now let us see what the calculator says. The calculator agrees. On to the next problem. 6 raised to the power 2 divided by 2 brackets 3 plus 4. First we check the brackets. There are no operations in the brackets, so we'll leave it be. Now we perform the operation of the exponent to 6. 6 raised to the power 2 is 36. Now many people will get confused here and multiply 3 by 2 to get 6 since they see a bracket. So we will rewrite it as 2 multiplied by 3. Now it is clear what we do next. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 18 multiplied by 3 is 54. 54 plus 4 is 58, and that is our answer. The calculator says the same. Do the next problem. 9 minus 9 divided by 9 plus 9 minus 9 divided by 9. Confusing? Let us apply BODMAS. 9 divided by 9 is 1, which happens 2 times. Now we can see that people might get confused as to add what to what. At this point, I recommend rewriting it so that the addition is on the left side and the subtraction is on the right side. Now it is clear what to do. So 9 plus 9 is 18, and minus 1 plus minus 1 is minus 2. And 18 minus 2 is 16, and that is our answer. The calculator shows that we are correct. Now our next problem is pretty similar to our first problem, so let us go ahead and do this. 6 divided by 5 brackets 7 minus 5. First we obviously solve the bracket, so 7 minus 5 is 2. Now we rewrite it with a multiplication symbol so we don't get confused. Now 6 divided by 5 is 1.2. 1.2 multiplied by 2 is 2.4, which is our answer. Let us see what the calculator says. The calculator agrees. The next problem is the longest one so far. 50 divided by 5 brackets 5 minus 3 plus 5 divided by brackets 1 by 5. So first we solve both the brackets. 5 minus 3 is 2 and 1 divided by 5 is 0.2. 50 divided by 5 is 10 and 5 divided by 0.2 is 25. If anybody is confused as to how that happened, we can also solve it like this. 5 divided by 1 by 5 was the original part. So now 5 in the denominator of the denominator gets automatically promoted to the numerator, where it is multiplied by the other 5. This results in 25 by 1, which is just 25. Now 10 multiplied by 2 is 20, and 20 plus 25 is 45, which is the final answer. We check it and we are correct. Thus, with any problem, when we apply the BODMAS rule, we can easily calculate the answer. Now let us use this on the final problem. 8 divided by 2 brackets 2 plus 2. First we solve what's inside the bracket, so 2 plus 2 is 4. Now let us rewrite the bracket as multiplication so that we don't get confused later. 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Therefore, the correct answer is 16. And when we use a modern calculator for this, we see the same answer. Thus, I recommend that from this day on, you use the BODMAS rule: brackets, operations, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. The BODMAS rule. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe if you learned something new.